This guide shows you how to remove Internet Explorer from your Windows-based system. Now, you might have recently read about a flaw or a bug that's appeared that leaves the user open to attack if Internet Explorer is installed on their system, even if you don't use Internet Explorer. If you use Google Chrome or Firefox or Opera, etc., you could still be open to this flaw. Now, you might find that some of your programs might rely on Internet Explorer and you might not be able to uninstall it. But if you can, here's how you do it. So, first of all, move your mouse over the Start button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click once to get the Start menu up. Then on your keyboard, type APPWIZ_CPL. So that's APPWIZ.CPL. And then at the top of the Start window, you should see AppWiz.CPL appear. Move your mouse over this and left-click once. The Programs and Features window should now appear. Move your mouse over, turn Windows Features on or off, and then left click once. The Windows Features box should appear. This might take a little while to populate, but when it does, scroll down and find Internet Explorer just here. Now, yours might say version 10, it might say version 11, depending on which version of Internet Explorer you've got installed. If you've got a really old version of Internet Explorer installed, it might say version 9. But whatever version you've got, move your mouse over the box just to the left of it. There should be a tick in it, left click on the tick, and that should then say turning off Internet Explorer might affect other Windows features and programs installed on your computer, including default settings. Do you want to continue? So if you're sure no other programs on your computer rely on Internet Explorer, then it's okay to click yes. Okay, if you're not sure, then click no. Or you could click yes and try your computer. If everything seems to work fine, then you can just leave it as is. If not, you can come back to this screen and put the tick back in the box, which will reinstall Internet Explorer. So, okay, I'm going to move my mouse over yes and left click once. Then move my mouse over to OK at the bottom there and left click once. And this part might take a little while. Please just leave it. It's saying applying changes. It could take a few minutes depending on the speed of your system. It now says Windows completed the requested changes. Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So if you've got stuff open on the screen, then left click don't restart and close it down and then restart your computer. So let's just do that. I'm going to click across there, then I'm going to click on the Start button here. That's a left click, by the way. Move my mouse over the Power button here and then click Restart. It's very important that you click Restart as opposed to Shut down. So left click Restart. Let the computer restart. It will apply some changes both on shutdown and probably startup, but Internet Explorer should be gone. I'm going to pause this video while it's applying those changes and we'll come back to it when it's nearing the end of the deinstallation. Okay, so my computer's restarted. So just to check the Internet Explorer's gone, I'm going to move my mouse over the Start button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, then left-click once, and then I'm going to type Internet Explorer. And as we can see, Internet Explorer hasn't appeared. We've got Internet Explorer app there, but there's no icon, there's no E icon in there. Now, if later on we find out that something isn't working as a result of uninstalling Internet Explorer, then we can reinstall it, and this is how we do it. We move our mouse down to the Start button, left click once, and then type APPWIZ_CPL. So that's APPWIZ_CPL. Then move your mouse over AppWiz.CPL at the top here and left click once. The Programs and Features window will appear. Move your mouse over Turn Windows Features on or off in the left here, left click once. This box might take a while to populate. Then scroll down and find Internet Explorer just there and move your mouse over the box to the left of Internet Explorer, left click once. A tick should appear in the box. Then move your mouse over OK, left click once. And then it should say searching for required files and then applying changes. This bit might take a little while. Please be patient with it, don't try and cancel it. And there we go, it says Windows completed the requested changes. Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. Now, if you've got something open in the background, move your mouse over, don't restart, and left click once. If you haven't got anything open in the background, then just click restart now. So I'm going to make out I've got something open in the background, so I'm going to left click don't restart. Okay, just close this box down here, move my mouse down to shut down whatever else I've got open, then move my mouse down to the Start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, move your mouse over the power button, and again it's important you do click restart. That's left click restart, do not click shutdown, left click restart. Let the computer restart. It will apply some changes while it's shutting down and starting back up again. This is quite normal, and then once the computer's restarted you'll have Internet Explorer back. And once the system's rebooted, if we want to check the Internet Explorer has been reinstalled, we can move our mouse down to the start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, left click once, and on our keyboard just type Internet, and there you go, Internet Explorer app. The logo is back, which means it's reinstalled. So there you go, that guide shows you how to remove Internet Explorer and reinstall it should you need to reinstall it. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.